DAP wall joint compound is a ready-to-use pre-mixed wallboard joint compound designed primarily for interior drywall finishing, taping joints, smoothing seams, covering nail and screw holes, and patching small imperfections. It comes in a 3-pound tub, which makes it ideal for smaller projects or touch-ups where a larger bucket would be overkill. First, I will give you the pros and what it does well. It's easy to apply. The premixed formula spreads smoothly with a taping knife, meaning no mixing or additional prep is needed. It also sands well. After drying, the surface sands easily to a smooth finish that blends nicely into surrounding drywall. Has minimal shrinkage. It tends to shrink less than some alternatives, which helps reduce the need for multiple layers. It's versatile for small jobs. Great for interior patchwork and smoothing joints during skimming or repair jobs. Now, some of the cons and things to consider. If you get the small one with only 3 pounds of compound, the volume is limited. It's fine for small patches or a few seams, but not a full room job. Some people say it's too soft or watery in rare cases, suggesting occasional quality variation between tubs. It's not suited for exterior use or areas with moisture exposure. This is purely for indoor drywall finishing. The bottom line is that DAP wallboard joint compound is a solid, ready-mix drywall finish, a good option for DIYers and professionals alike tackling small drywall repairs or seam finishing. It's easy to use, sands smoothly, and delivers a clean finish with minimal shrinkage. Just be mindful of the small quantity and check consistency before use. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check out the link in the description.